here in my garage. Wait a minute, that's not how I wanted to start this video. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new here checking me out for the first time, my name is Sal and welcome to the GT Guys. For those of you who have been sticking around since the very beginning, since I first started this Ford GT application process, thanks for bearing with me. I know especially it's been a couple of months since I posted anything, and I told you guys I was moving and the whole process took a lot longer than I expected, but this is my new garage and welcome. So we applied for the Ford GT way back in 2016 and it has been an extremely long wait. Now, it's been a while since I posted anything and a lot of you guys have probably been wondering where I've been. And you know, maybe even some of you guys thought I was BSing you, but I'm not, and the process is starting right now. Yesterday we spoke with the Ford GT concierge and the process is just beginning. So tomorrow our ordering kit arrives in the mail and we're really excited to shoot a video with the ordering kit to show you guys, you know, the first steps in the process of ordering a Ford GT and what it's actually like. Now we're going to document the Ford GT process, the ordering process, the build process, you know, everything here in complete detail like you haven't seen it before on YouTube. And the ownership experience of a Ford GT, we're going to document the whole thing. And what's cool about that is that we are not your typical supercar owners. This channel was started by me and my dad, and we've always had a dream of owning a Ford GT since I was a kid. And now that I'm older and can kind of help out with that, that dream is going to become a reality for us. Never did we think that we were going to get this, you know, really insane supercar. It really is just, you know, beyond our wildest dreams. We're both kind of just Mustang guys. We've never had anything, any supercars or exotic cars in my family, and this is just not something that we grew up with. So the ownership experience of the Ford GT is going to be really different for us, and it'll be kind of really cool for us to share that perspective with you of normal car owners, normal car guys getting this really rare and exclusive exotic supercar. So we're really excited to share that process with you. So with that said, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description below. You'll see a lot of behind the scenes stuff there, and tomorrow in fact we will post pictures of the ordering kit when it arrives. So yeah, definitely check me out on Instagram, follow there. You'll be able to get some behind the scenes before it happens on YouTube. And then we're gonna start to do more weekly updates. Now that we're getting closer to the Ford GT, we can do some weekly updates. Next week, stay tuned and we will show you the ordering kit. I'm gonna try and post once a week. I know everything has been really crazy with the move and my new job, so it's been really hard to be on YouTube regularly, but now that the Ford GT is coming, I'm gonna try and make that a reality. Anyways, yeah, check back next week and we will do the unboxing of the Ford GT order kit. I'll see you then.